Welcome. If you want to manage app permissions in your Xiaomi Redmi K30s, at the first you have to go for settings. Next you have to scroll down and find apps, click on the permissions, then enter permission one more time, and for example we can change location permissions. So here we get all apps that are denied for location. So if you want to grant the permission for every application, you have to enter on it, then tap and select allow while using the application. And also most of them got also option the allow all the time. So you have to pick what you want, and after that they are right here in this section. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.